ye ene yen sikasemu na said e amunim na ebre no so say ya na wonsoso menye selfish wa frɛ busuafo ne adofo nyina na wakai wo mo say ebra so say yesua de eno nti obi a emfa na fidie ento Hope TV Ghana afei mu amo Facebook ene other social media handles nyina nso ye mama kwa abasron kokra na nyankopon hira mo sa bribia mode mo data ene momre edi dwumadie no achi ema no etimi ekoso kama ene enkomo na ye ba bedi no medical akasese wo ye obi a afei na wo ba beto asase anase wato bi dada na se ana wo trim se wo beto bi nko ade a ene sabre wo de wafidie to ba bia wo se wo mre ne wadaje wo modin ase wo ne ye betena akosi awieye na wo behu de nti a meka se ene ye entina sanse se wo hwe o my Ghana mu hadom a eya ne toda nsase ho nsem eye dadwa na afei mu langard sem ne ade ni nyina eye toda nimdie ene informations ahodo a ye ni ntia ene ma ye ho koto sa adwanum enu ntia nwumre ye ba beboa na ye bie ye nyina ya adwen ene ye ni am ye hunu hyehyɛ ene kwan ye befa so a ye betimi anya asase se ye de business ana se ye de si ankrankra dan ana dwumadie bi edidie no ehun hyehyɛ ene mra ahodo a ewo ho eno ho nkomo ena ye ba bedi no midin ede nana Kwame Sika na yemfa asede mu ohwam ema yaboafo mikire medimafo herbal clinic ya wonum ewo Kumase ebuakwa agogo Dr. Time da so ya wo bo adwuma sonko sayare wahodo nyina yare ewo hunamani mojamu ana se impo hunhum no se ya wo stroke ana diabetes pressure eno de wo se ye ntetia case kra bomodian ne kopi mu ewo wonu makachi na nso kokoje wa yare hwe sanse yare oho ise ete oso a wuntimi enye wadwuma ne ba ne sanso a obi ne bedi mu emfaso de amawo bidimafo herbal clinic frɛ wonum ewo embai so 0244 774 282 0244 774 282 and say 0500 72 72 15 0500 72 72 15 call me Dimafo Herbal Clinic say wonye doctor bi was or a professor say yabona baso say or a professor of herbal medicine in biology enunti ko now so corner onko show said the beya or the mre eto oyare ne so a ensumpo no na wo ho atɔ ebio yemfa sida emma all angel of hope for onsum eya aboafo a omo eso Hope TV yasene ama bribia ye de dwubadi ahodo emma mo na musumunya bi ehwe na ye nyina yesua de efiri mu enunti angel of hope fo nyina nwumre ye chia musronko na ye to nsa afre wo a unya emeka ho se enhyehyɛ no kakra bi wodia ne se obedial star 928 star 34 star 104 hash star 928 star 34 star 104 hash na fe wa follow prompt na beba no kakra bia ubenya bia no ubetimi e de aboa na nso aba beka angel of hope ho ana se obese uye ni momo nsu a 0249 19 3083 0249 193083 sabre die menko ba bia na ye dan ho kakra bia ba ye ba ye de enkomo no ebe hyehye so
Doctor Chadibi mama nyare wasu mi pa
afei na twere ensem a ese moni dua na ba mfa na haban ensa yale na abamu Dr. Tam da so ama oyalefo bia nya anida so se ne yale befire ne so wo ebra wode nani akyerem wo medimafo Herbal Clinic oyalefo ba ho na ohye na ebra empa ho gise de wawuo ana wasie no nko na ontumi abubuafo enante anifrafo esna panie stroke diabetes pressure ne yale enkan ne nyina aye entatia case wasiesie na yale sabia ho kama doctor se fakakra bi beje wayalesa wo Kumase Abuakwa agogo oyalefo bia kaise udimafo ye medimafo Herbal Clinic Dr. Time Daso
Se wanya emre ni adaje atwen ama yada ye ho aba safi ena wabeka ye ho a aha ye Hope TV Ghana ye Hope Business Forum dwumadie ena wasunguso ena wani nso eguso a wo hwe bie no na momkae adofo se baabi e dru no obia entwembe na fidie nia oni fie nso no uko Facebook a ye Hope TV Ghana uko YouTube nso ye Hope Channel Ghana na munyina modi dwumadie no achi ubetime de questions ene omoa bia enso ede ababra dwumadie no ekoso no wo Facebook ana YouTube ye bekenkan ede amount na emom ebre ba mu nso a ebebia homa na tum na obibia a opese obisa asem no watimi abisa se de medi kan ka kire wo no ene ye ba bedi ensase ehun komo enunti se wo hwe mi studio ha no mo a ana se wo nso so ufie ho no bo nse ho te yiram sanse ye nyina yetia ye yenya ye mame Mrs Anita Okra ya oye legal officer ewo Lands Commission of Ghana ena waba betena ye nchen a ene oba beboa ye no ama ye nkyerɛkyerɛ ahodo kwan ye befa so ye betimi enya asase ato ho nhyehyɛ te sen dwumadie ben ene wo se ye nso ye die ansakra na ye tu anamon se ye kwa akoto asase ene ni nyina wode ebema ye enu nti woni mi nyina enkabom ne ma na kwa abasronko se waje pene na ene obema ye disua etise ye Mrs Okra bimo wakwa aba
Yemia.
Nyankopon shaw se yeto nsafro na oje pene baye.
Amen. Nyame nsham na adwuma pa amudi.
Amen. Na wotwi na adwuma mu tesen.
Awo, nyame adom. Se na moti ya lawyers na ye call all lawyers in Ghana. We had our annual conference Cape Coast. So, na ye call Cape Coast. Bajumedie nti na ose me ka ti ne short na ba.
Oh, Nyankopon hira.
Amen.
Ye ho do nti ena waba. Nse mranimfo nyina kohia nti e ho de me nya ahwe omu nkomudie se de bisia ye. Akoye se you know SDA for board meeting no. Ye mo akwaba. And then you have share the process of land acquisition in Ghana.
Yes.
And before that, you know, we are advisor to Land Commission, legal advisor.
Yes.
What you man is saying.
Okay. So as a legal advisor and a legal officer, as the term is now.
Okay.
I'm the lawyer for one of the lawyers, Yedosu.
Okay.
I'm one of the lawyers for Lands Commission. Now I'm stationed in Accra at the head office.
Okay.
So say, you know, if you know the work of Lands Commission, so we are into land administration. So we advise the office no on registration process applications. Yes, also defend the commission no. In terms of litigation, and call for Lands Commission. But I think so apart from Attorney General, we are the second organization and call for in a week. Yes, we are very 10.
I didn't hear.
So in since we are since Enti nkofo si ye pa nti ye busy pa workload ni easy nti de bia wo court so wo court a ye bo cases 10 a ye sure say Lands Commission for be 5 and 6 bi interesting enti no ye busy pa so the litigation no court and seven keep us very busy.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, then they advise the commission on other matters. We also advise the government on land acquisition processes.
Oh, okay.
Na you law.
You see, woman, na mo makwa ko jina ma charge mo.
Ebi wo ho so ayenso etimi siu nkofo because the Lands Commission ye manage government land, they protect state land. And this will be trespass, will be we also have lessees. You know, say be by etimi so esiu nkofo to protect governments in SARS.
Okay.
Yeah.
That means you can see and be seen.
Yes, exactly. But the thing is, you go for see a baby say you not time of crown and see or movie because we get so busy defending. So we don't even get the time to.
I think as the conversation proceeds, you better the entire microphone see or move because I'm wondering the omoya etimi microphone see or musa. But what is the Embra Land Commission? The Land Commission, no. Omo dwumadie pa ne sen Ghana.
Okay. So the Lands Commissioner institution, state institution is established by the 1992 Constitution.
Okay.
And I also have our act, the 2008 Act, the Lands Commission Act 2008, Act 767.
Okay.
So, Act way, and Amra way, and establish a Lands Commission. What this act actually did, they say, 4 state institutions are no more in the land sector. They existed separately. But the Lands Commission Act, no, edisa ejumekuwe nyina abom one. So we are one Lands Commission. So before you buy in 2008, no, now your land title registry. No, we in charge of land registration.
Okay.
Now your land valuation board. Now we in charge of stamp duty, land valuation services, compensation assessments.
Okay.
Now your survey and mapping division. Now almost your surveyors. Prepare site plans, survey lands, map if you want any survey worker. In charge. And I was lands department. Now PVLMD, land public investor lands management division. So lands department, old lands commission. So they were also in charge of registration, managing government land, facilitating land acquisition, compulsory land acquisition for the state.
Okay.
So they all existed separately, but this act brought them together. As well, like the same as like what happened with GRA. The same thing happened to us.
And then FDA too.
Yes.
Okay.
So the same thing happened to us, and so now we are one lands commission. See, Jumedia ye dipa and sase honesem. So person will acquire land. Person register land. Anything about land is lands commission.
Okay.
So we register and sase. And so person auto asase. We have lands commission registry and our records on all government lands. And on all lands are registered. Okay. We have the records. It is a person auto asase. Now person will check it. Making sure say nipa kra utoi on na owner and say bibia lands commission na obeba into anything na ope land valuation services. Yes, sounds yes stamp duty. Yes, sure say ahwefo atida. Say okoto asase a yes kokoye stamp duty. Any land document bia obey stamp duty. Bu on pa contract yes koye stamp duty. Nti ehon so ehon ne ye no. E na ope say oye site planner. Survey and mapping division, and also lands commission one obeba a best site plan amount. Intino Jumedia edi no
wow. That's interesting. Say ye be share in den channel sa ne mani nyina no.
Yes.
Ye be dru honom. But before that no mo asue no meaning say headquarters in the Accra.
Accra.
Other districts no so mo asue wo honom.
Yes. Intino, your head office, Accra, cantonment. But we are present in all 10 now 16 regions. So we are present in all 16 regions.
Wow.
Intino, Okobe Bia region Bia, we have a regional lands commission.
Okay.
The law established lands commission as the corporate body, and in the regions we have regional lands commission, which is managed or headed by the regional lands officer. So in every region we are there, and we are also in some districts. Yeah. But we are in some districts. But every region we have a regional office there. Wow,
that's interesting.
They say I hope so. The cantonment,
the regional office or the headquarters.
We are say you far but we do the new regional office near red and white building come up
Greater Accra.
Yeah, Greater Accra, yes. So that is and we are in all the regions. Regions Okoha, yes, CC dan kama.
Some na mo hwe nsase so. Enipa say asase kra de mo ho kyerem.
Yeah.
Well, afi yentinsin komo no mankasa. Before I be a beto asokra no. Why na qualify say obetimi ato asase wo Ghana ha?
Okay. So so obetimi a qualify to buy land in Ghana. E o say we in law we can say you should have capacity.
Okay.
Capacity no try say minim say ne meka no twi. But I hope say team for better say. E was say you should be of age of majority or say unya at least 18 years and above.
Okay.
So if you are an infant in law no we can say we infant we akwala say we below 18 years it is deemed say you don't have the capacity to buy. It say obi cry bia awofo eto a ombeto wo mudin normal holding in trust for you because you need capacity. Until also you're 18 years and above now you should be of sound mind. So what dream now won't say asia you don't have the capacity.
Yes, I say features na the to banana.
Yes, visa. So you should be of capacity. I'll be to me a transacting. I enter into contract.
Okay.
And son waiting me at
so we Ghana ni we
Ghana ni whether we a foreigner whether obia because Ghana for us we timi so to asase wo
obi my
so it is the same way foreigner so
etimi
ato ena adwumaku eku so ebetimi ato your company a limited liability company you can buy a property or limited by guarantee so you should be a company you also have the capacity to buy land. Yes.
Oh, that's nice. So when you're 18 years in Kwandia, now you
understand. You can sign. You understand what it means.
Okay.
What you to enter into such a contract.
Okay. And assuming say I qualify, I have the capacity. I have the capacity. So where should I go? What should I do? Me kwa ko hu ohini bi. Me ka se me pass ato na agent bi.
Ghana, they be a mekase say our land owning system no esitie no makes purchasing land in Ghana, especially Accra, very difficult. So normally no so person we advertise baby. You can if you want government land, Lands Commission, we are in charge of management of government lands. Okay. So the best place to go is Lands Commission if you want government land. You can bring an application for government land. If there is some available, you go through the process, then you are allocated one. Then you pay for it. Then you'll be given your documents. And then you also have possession of the land. Okay. So government land, let's say we have different types of land in Ghana. There were abaya sase wo ho. Okay. And there were him for dear. And there were family ebusia sase. And the bu also private individuals. You so on sase aha. Enti no uno so hwehwem. Now to timi identify obi a also all ton asase a. Ana him for bi omo so mo asase omo ton ama wa. Okay. You have to the law put a responsibility on you, the buyer, to beware. So that you have to be a responsible buyer. Okay. You don't just see any land and go and buy it. One year proper due diligence, now Hokota, Emrano, protect you.
Oh, okay.
You end up losing the land and you lose your money as well. Oh, okay. So, I was said, we are careful. When you're sure, we have trained professionals, lawyers who some surveyors who are very good. Okay. They can assist you to do due diligence. Yeah. But me, as a lawyer, I would prefer that you deal with a lawyer. Okay. Lawyers are trained to assist with these things. And you have to make sure, say you are buying the land from the right person who is the owner of the land. And send me can first who identify a land that you want to buy. Also call Lands Commission first and foremost. Nipano also nkrata kra nipano owo. Obi ka so wasase a the person should be also timi trail a kwanya of fast one. Enya assassin because obi aye wa wo ba no wan fa saase amma
That's true.
You would have acquired it one way or the other. Nti o se ni panitimi twa o saase we minya no wa ha me to free way ho na emra no so e prescribe say land transaction bia should be documented. Nti so obi ka se mato asase ana asase we e media na say oni documents bia na e verbal, you cannot take it. Untimi deal with verbal way because land ownership no or land transfer of title.
Okay.
I was set enkrata wo ho ne di adanse say ampa asemesi na ye owner of the land. Enti no obi ka cho so oto asase amawa or ton asase amawa. I was set uhwe nipa koma nipa no e kire ne nkrata.
Na
uhwehwemu yes. It is all the nkrata ne kire wa. I was set nipa na ono edi na nkrata no so no kwa. So otimi po request nipa no ID. Sa wo say ID krata yi kofi na wo so. Na wodi kofi o ka say han yo so otimi ma obi bi.
Ni krata nka Ghana card bibi e che say nipa na ni din wo so no na woni no edili no. Enti wo kire we ni na wia na wako lands commission wo de nkrata no akwa hwehwe ma ho say nipa no o register ye. Ana why na ya register the din e was land so because any me can first no land bia wo Ghana bia e ho krata e ho record e wo lands commission. Oh, okay.
Land bia wo Ghana bia within
say
our
government dear or say individual.
Yes, ye individual baby e da bia say that tamale say that who say that baby e ho krata.
Wow.
E ho document and e ho records e wo lands commission. It is because of a time would site plan, copy of the plan. Now they are called lands commission. You are conducting official search. You have more information in all land in and to be who.
Okay.
The land in the mansion will be who. Say nipa no so time on the una will be who. Say no no so anes wa advice so.
Okay.
Sometimes I've had some experience there and I am advising call for say before crowd acquire check with lands commission no why kasa persevere then kwasa ase no so na on measure professional surveyor no measure ase no on take point no na on your plan ma now use sa plan ni mu
research.
Yes, because there've been experiences obi o ha obema on krata ne so asase we na meton ma asase ne krata ni we a lay person no wo hwe paper no so how do you know say site plan here odi ama wa na krata yi e asase we say ho krata na odi ama. It can be possible say asase krata odi tro kwa na da baby fufuro na asase no so da baby fufuro oh enti no obi o ha otimi mo obi site plan ba ko check na da pum na ini asase so kura.
Wow.
Yes. Enti no I was say we are careful to say dependent krata na kirewa no ani ji asase no ho a persevere no am pick point no the site plan obey amount no you can be very sure say a land na plan.
Okay.
It is all ko check here na say eye onidi mu any krata or the amount no bia e pa then you can deal with the person.
Okay.
Aside that crowd so no wa check crime ni di wo hu ni bu o ha krata no owo ni di wo lands commission ba e bia obi ne na atwa asase no uni it is good say uni the partner discuss here you can go behind the person. Okay. Go to the land, ask neighbors bisa omo ti patemu se Ghana ha de asemu sia by all means obi be hu neighbor. Neighbors no they have more information.
Yeah, no correct.
Cry e wasase no watching nipa na ni dealing. It is a kwa na obi say oh nipa cho asase we woni mira asem bia o ho a on be ka cho. But say wo ha asase nipa no turn because there's an issue of say we ni hu free nti na o ton we bia o to free obi ho to wie ye no problem aba ho. O ye fast aton. Nti say wonim na akotope na o sa problem ni na aba wo so nti o se bu okra bia court matter kra wo so unim Nti no wakwa akoto. Nti o say wo bisa neighbors no more around no. And making sure say oh bibia problem bia yes any assassin no ho ansana wato. We new law ikra Land Act 2020. Edi another issue crab concerning married people who want to transfer their properties. Now law no at the abase say wa worry next of person will turn asase and our property amu acquire in the course of the marriage. We here who can consent.
The two.
Yes, it's and Fowl say what happened was, and what usually happens is say mostly no say our 40ness or motas here a man no din na yo motade pa. Nti wo how a man no
ni be ba no
na be man atom na oni hwe onya hwe mfim. Oh, ebi o ho nso a yeah man ebi a oba ne kwa contribute more kwa.
Be man no. But say bi o ho nso a register no ba ni din mo.
There, it's no either say register no bani dimo, you register be money dimo.
Okay.
Ye mumie once ma acquire in the course of the marriage na mumie no nyina na ma contribute no. Emfa ho se ba akopedi na also.
Okay.
It is deemed say mumie no nyina modia. It is ba akuntimi nkonkoton wa bra the other one enim.
Okay.
It's them running their basse. Before I obeton say obi ton asase ama o na se nipa no aware a e wo say we make sure say we be hu ne ho kani
the other party no.
Yes, ama ono nso agree a confirm say ampa asase ye dia na ye ton ye ono nso gitum say mu nyina mu ton enye sa e be problem
na sa awarija ya be
say awarija ya
omo ni hobiem.
Obi amu ni hobiem ne bi o ma settle on one person dia say me mu ni hobiem dia ni aware bi ani ho.
Okay.
Nti na e wo na wo dia na wo ton. But say o ma ware no mo ti ho say aware fo na asase no mo toy when they were married e was say we
seek other person.
Other person so yes also o ma nipa no who say oh ukunu ana o yire so o ton asase we o any objection bi amuni na amu agree ana o ka say o e na ebeye krampo say nkrata na mo be sign no sa hu kani ni so e be sign ni bi as at least as a witness so no so we said the way onu so din bebe mu say o wa consent to sale of the property say be adachi bia on fa nko court say ni kunu ton e kra no oni mu ho hweti no the court bi oba be asase no ti no.
Wow.
Na
and you made a tin sempa. So Tesiano, ye who say you want asini bi ho ya ban dia. And e bi won so a busuya and na be a private company bi na ato baby. And I say wo hini bi dia. How do we determine say this land belongs to family or hini anasa by was any balance commission or be research or and I say obetimi di na ne hu.
Okay. So be search na say abaya asase a ubehu.
Okay.
Say individual and our family be asase a ubehu. Say student in asa information na ubehu.
Okay.
Yeah. Nti na no so na chere ekwan a registration process no so ebe ko se na ebe si a ubeye nafa.
Okay.
It is all balance commissioner sa information na ubehu. And I'm perceiving the count say obi o ho so a the entire important pass obesa SA checks no che say e bia na asase ni kwa obi dia kwa akwaji mortgage loan edaso
dey see awowa
yes and all ton amount it is a one koye search no e wo lands commission an hu a obeto asase na wie no na fe bank for ba beje enti no e wo say sa anwuma ni na wo check se si akrampo no emra no sa dia ba say say bank for no omo ye mortgage we ko omo sa register o collateral registry until say ho nyina wo ko check
okay
and make sure say loan bi was one mortgage bi was asem so ana e si awowa agi bibia nti anya duma ketwa
pa
I say
nti na amanfo nye na edu ba bia na
yes because ni na no e skasem e ka
okoye research no
obey search no aye we because say me kan no individual lay person no wontimi nye we na you may have to contract a professional, a lawyer. And now I would him lawyers there. You better I do kakra.
The already can have to table no so. Enya sem keto.
And nipa ebro ha so betua as professional fees na my aye we na ne obekwa akoto
de sana. Professional fees.
Yeah, professional fees.
I like the term.
Yeah, and nowfen so all say emra na ewo Ghana ha no asasi bia se na ewu no ya zone no baby a de obetimi de aye o baby a enye baby a na obetimi akoto asase se be de kwa koye asori ana me de kwa koye factory
okay
ana me kwa ko bie office ana school ana me kosi edan atinem wontimi nkoto asase o market se me kwa ko simi fie ene mebusuafo akotena ho the same way na wontimi nkoto asase wo cantonment ana osusa kwa koye factory aba be manufacture nyoma enti no baby a edumaku a ehihye saade we nso ye the friend no town and country planning first
tankers for no
this year from land use and special authority LUSPA.
Oh okay
enti no omo eye we land use special and planning authority omo ye omo hihye say a land we ya zone for ABI industrial purpose for commercial for we. It is a who to asase especially would be for commercial venture and na industry and na BBI or so call.
Okay.
So no more so check it. Say purpose now person or the asase ne no. Emra no ema kwan say asase you betimi dia ya na.
Okay. Na kan be no na kan be wo ye next episode ba wo dia bai dia ye ntinsim preko. Sorry. And so emra wo hos baby e wo se yesi asori dan.
Yes. Enti no uko LUSPA for no wa. Let's say we are sorry a omo betimi a chere say bia this area o ma zone for e bia civic cultural or church and bibi omo betimi but enye baby a na ubetimi but as a Ghana ha no emra na sheda enforcement be issue. Enforcement no be baby a highly dense area residential area cry na asori wo ho they have places our masheda zone for we but as a Ghana ha no
and ntina na me bisa because ubedu baby na asori bi she efie bi mu fifi
no mo ye de no anaju all night
edu 31st night cry there
na aye we but ni nyina no so wo sati bi aniwa obetimi a report omo ama EPA
Environmental Protection Agency for
and afen so they make ladman sanko for no from district planning authorities no or betimi ayebibi afan because they are in charge.
I see.
Yeah, LUSPA for no now omo district BM into we call ladma lekma and say uko omo offices wo ho nti betimi a report omo akọ report wo ho na omo e dey year to year
ti Ghana how akọ report to sorry bi say we dey da the be kan is oye by for
because so ya antichrist oh but eye adwuma pa nkofo report ebi wo ho krampa ye betimi allow omo say fine mu ho but mu ma dede no enkofom kra say bia omo ntimi emfa speakers NCC abontin ebi o ha obehwe nipa 3 na waso dem and the speakers egu abontin no microphone
aseshe ni minimum
no mu ye dede sa ni nyina akọ report a omutimi make sure say yes you can worship but you cannot use friends and phones and fanye dede ni speakers o area hosa
nti emra we nyina o
a nuisance
yeah ekwan individual anase ku bi befa so benya asase ena ni nyina chi nso no beti ye say aton asase ba ko aton ne be miensa e ba ne se ne timi sisa
asemu a reality pa that's the cause of our problems pa o Ghana ni nyina ye sane me kan din kan no ye land owning system no I've always said say is problematic. Aya nkofo etimi ka say uko UK and now uko US we don't have problem with land ownership, land acquisition. All because uko UK land ni nyina ya vested in the Queen. And we are buying them.
Okay.
And in Obia, there is nothing like Usu land, Ena Nungwa land, Ena family way land, Ena way land. Land bako. Nungwa beka se ene dia, Teshi beka se ene dia, family way se ene dia, se sa
antino. Company bin sukra base ma.
Antino buying land is difficult. One way ya. We toss us in about 3 times from different people because we are now we are back media now we the judgment aba so me we need judgment was asase so asase ayan obi ansu nya hwe no bo han so be the judgment aba family be the aba so oma we need judgment the whole area o land ne ka ho enti sabe tu eskama me enye sa no mo the land guards ni ade aba biko so our land owning system
a problem
is the problem. I always when I have meaning of fooding coma the biamka say I will send a kwame nkomata and I say colonial time because some komu seize assassin in our vest and I don't think so we have that because I don't deal him say okwa kotasa asia a buying hope pen or say oko unshe bia but now no
kalanga the same nyina
kadin because a buying pet honor bit me one system but now no because of that but we and also a binding new emra a land act no 2020 no e dey abase so we ton asase emma will be we a double seller it's an offense
yes
yeah we check it section 277 yes we bet me a prison for number of years.
Wow.
It's a serious offense. This is or hene ana say we a family be am one say na say we nim now ton asase e manipa ba ko mienu different people the same piece of land at the same time yes I say a be enforce
okay and they have to be very careful. You share some of the terminologies in our land commission indenture yatia but yenima de crow
okay so because indenture I think say it's a loose term that we used to refer to land documents.
Okay.
Like, I don't know how that name came about, but we grew up to know it. It's indenture is just a general term refer to land documents.
As a general document of the land.
Okay. A general term that, but we have different types.
Okay.
Of depending on the interest you are buying.
Oh, okay.
So we are kind of we say oh tasasi will be here. So me can say also we ni panikrata.
Yes.
So we ni panikrata na say ni indenture na. Ubehu interest ni panewo.
Okay.
We have different types of interest in land. Yewo alodia. That's the highest interest.
I know na say chese.
Alodia na chese you are the owner. Just the land is for you forever and ever.
Primary owner of the land.
Yes, it's for you forever and ever. Obia ntimi engine free home ko obia ho.
Okay.
This our interest no usually a handful. And some families bia almost no mo ba Ghana e bi on ba asase ne so nkanin first it by way of a fair settlement and a long settlement conquest so say first so na nkofo ti mo kontopa no ma konka o no ma jo asase so those land owning groups no so they usually hold that title alodia. Okay. Government so to me acquire alodia zebia to say baby to say cantonments airports Roman Ridge
Blaster Square
all those places need na government land government acquire alodia interest no free pre-acquisition owners ahim for no enti no government there forever and ever the government betimi dey ama obi betimi age free self the person dey bia government there so that is the allodia. Then we have the freehold freehold nso is forever but freehold no eye nipa a owo alodia no and our mouth part of the forever no say alodia na forever the alodia na is like God oh forever and our ma o ebi also the na forever so freehold no you can have it forever as long as you have someone to inherit. So it can be with you when you are no more. You can sell it. You can transfer it to your children, anybody. When you are no more to your children can also inherit. Their children can inherit like that until Obieni what to inherit again. Then it goes back to the alodia. Do you understand?
Yes, I do.
Then after that, you know, you were leasehold. So leasehold nature say nipa owa alodia no amount number of years and na nipa owo freehold forever ono so amount number of years so betini amount of 50 years or amount of 60 years 99 years 70 years ni na lease. So those are the interests we have. It's nipa obi owo lease betini amount obi assignment. Assignment means say ebi aye mame because to asase 50 years matena so 5 years and I made ton amount the academy na me ton amount. Any assignment ni o sublease. Sublease nature say me will lease me ma sub me wo me ma ebi. Assignment ni say me di nyina amount. Sublease ni say me ma parts of the lease. Nti ebi am 50 years me ma 49 and 49 363 days. Obo we ka me ma ni nyina less 1 day. We also like I said, 50 years, we 10 years, we to, as long as the person is retaining a portion, even if it's 1 hour, it is a sublease, or 1 day cry is a sublease.
Wow.
So that is this whole task as here. Unya ni pano land documents and an indenture now share. Ube who interest ni pano or what or ton amount. Now, so in the negotiation, is the person giving you a sublease and our amount assignment and our amount freehold?
Wow. Hey, interesting. Me GD pass many are her first time I had to. Yes, because so what was only the answer assassin in den channel to who say be okay. If you cry now 50 years, any dear beam. Now so aquacoto. Obu
ho crown pa or ton assassin now be who we see die come on. A diary de manage you meto. If you are not interested now, I be 3 years. No a ton amount aboarding. Afe what's name 1-2 years for na time na ona naba.
Wa ba say
aso. Nti no o se o sa akoko tua foforo. Nti se wo to asase a ni nyina wunya lawyer o be check ni nyina make sure say you are protected in that regard.
Okay. Yen share estate for no. Omo a omo so cotton sase. Either oto a bia obeton and so obesi dan also na waton dan na o dey rent. Omo process net sen.
Omo real estate for no, they usually buy land maybe from someone who already acquired from the family and alodia interest. No, usually they will have maybe a lease. Now, or may develop it. Either say they are selling their lands to people, and now say omu basis ya dying. I we atom. Intini na no say o ta, e wo say o check. They be very particular about this estate for no. They are doing very well in helping people to acquire. But then, because a company they just set up to sell, to acquire a piece of land, sell and they vanish. You will hear of them again. This is what say one year proper due diligence. Later, who said there's an issue. Very difficult to resolve because the company may no longer be existed to help you do anything. A bureaucrat company no motor won't register. They won't go through the right procedure to register.
Maybe hold on. Say omo hone me o interest o hopa and omo hon sem so do so ba yenko breaking bra. E pensu kakra gu me na se. I for me gidi say when ya gin komo aye di ho. Safi no abeka ye ho a ha ye Hope TV Ghana Hope Business Forum dwumadie eso nkomo a na ye di na ye hwe asase ho nsem ne sanse se ota uyobi ata kokoto a almost every day obo ha koto asase ho nsem ewo ho no mo eno nti ye boa se de bia ye nyina ebenya nimde na daachi bi ye ho ankoka adwemu nti me nko ba bia ye da ye ho ne abasisi a ye beto aso ama
doctor to baby mama no nyare wasu to me pa
afei na twere ensem a ese monyi dua na ba mfa na haban ensa yale na abamu Dr. Tam da so ama oyalefo bia nya anida so se ne yale befire ne so wo ebra wode nani akyerem wo medimafo heba clinic oyalefo ba ho na ohye na ebra empa ho gise de wawuo ana wasie no nko na ontumi abubuafo enante anifrafo esna panie stroke diabetes pressure ne yale enkan ne nyina aye entatia case wasiesie na yale sabia ho kama doctor se fakakra bi beje wayalesa wo kumase abuakwa ago oyalefo bia kaise udimafo ye medimafo heba clinic Dr. Time daso
Hooray! Bantima SD enye mfinhye aduonu 1973 na sofo panyi mbebe dia kombeka nyamsem cultural center dete asafi asafo anitisha Northern Ghana Union ne Mid Central aseno osofo ne asafo mpanyifo de yonkodo leto wonsafreri aseman nyina se momra ne efa anije ni dakesi baso 23 September 2023 Bantima SD asori ho a ntumfo sei titu ababi asantehene na bafo usu asari amankweti otoso 9 Bantima hene ni Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia Ghana mampenya bedi achiri edi wonanimunyam ebetai dwumadie nu achi onunyamfo Simon Osei Mensa asante mantan musuafo onunyamfo Sampine Mayor Kumase ne aninti ne atitiru bebre ebetai dwumadie nu achi okasafo dwumadie nu ase ne Pastor Professor Robert Osei Bonsu a oye West Central Division of SDA panyi asampa ede dwumadie nu so ne mfia dionum afidida ejina Christoson Kron ahotososo hooray
ajiatwe ama yada ye ho aba egusua edi enkombo afa yensa ase ho nsem ho ne tomu nhwehwemu ahodo e wose wo ye niema wo se ohu ansa kra na wayusika de ato asase nti aha Hope TV Ghana Hope Business Forum dwumadie na waso anywhere ni guso a wo hwe na wutie no lawyer eda so wa hanoma yene no edi nkomo yensama akwa babio ye kona yedi nkomo about estate no na o ka bibi se bi mu ho kra o muta o mu register
yes so if you are who said they set up say just business, quick business. So they buy land, they sell without going through the registration. And now Lands Commission a process no such a way say to enable us keep proper records no. Say nipa no toma no e also to go through the process.
Okay.
No register. Say the be ya also ba be register. We nipa no records be how to make the registration easier. Obu oha otasa ase na on register. No aton ama. Maybe a nipa ko aton ma no so asa akoton am obi foforo nti wo ba they say they have not complied even with the law because there are some legal requirements concerning land acquisition in terms of registration. For instance, ebia auto stool lander, the constitution plays a responsibility say or say call Lands Commission. Now what we call concurrence.
Okay.
Yeah. And so auto stool lander, whether Nungwa stool, whichever stool you buy land. In fact, now the Land Act I include the clan and family lands. So what I also the call Lands Commission, a consent ne concurrence no na lands commission they plotting their record say ahemfo we de saa we amount because the importance of that is say lands commission share to make sure see ahemfo yi ton amount it conforms within the layout no LUSPA town and country planning for no aye intino use now kakuputi land need to know so conforms with the layout. Okay. And you have complied with all other legal requirements and sign a lands commission a be granted concurrence no into obu how they go through constitutional they won't comply with the constitutional requirements na omo tonton amankofo into no so ba be register because sa nipa na anye ntino na ama registration no abe problem. It's very important say we have our tax as you we dey to estate company want problem bien ni na problem bitimi aba nti o se utimi wa mema obi na obu ha kota o estate form so problem bien ni ho obi ai baby bia ma da bi wa pe o private lawyer na say so wa obetimi a balance commission na bra na be hwehwem make sure say omo ton ama no ampa oma register ama bibia you okay emfa ho say estate company emfa ho say bella no ton ama and emfa ho so say omo sidan asiso na omo ton because obu house yo we dey ye dan enya asase problem dia
dan ni so si asase so
enti no ni nyina the same thing whether say dan na wo so because emremu no ye kasa asase a from below ground equal to the sky.
Okay.
And yet what you see
yes.
surface in kwa entino said there na also still na was our lands commission na uko hwehwem make sure say company corner to amount no ampa o ma register and na emom kwa ampo no company no so ampa exist say a company because all corner ya register is proof say ampa company we because ebu ha company come register
no answer or advert
and no one so mo ye we estate company they affordable means and say no we ha koto we better we no the company ni kra no o mo register afi wo ho na obi abase enya judgment na o mayira wo hwehwe o mo hu o mo na usika akodi o mo ho emfa ho se fie no ato na afi akọ problem. Okay. So we'll be careful.
That's interesting. Back to indenture, no. A better will be me identify fake one.
Oh, okay. Because a fake indenture, ne say obi or like oma forge signature and na bibi. It is obi ma obi trail indenture say we ene dia we na tre say assassin ye dia e was say na me kan ni nyina no de check o lands commissioner ubehu
okay
whether wa register na say ya register ebe show even on the face of the document ubehu say this document has been registered.
There was information there one ye kra nipa no the same thing the lands commission.
Yes. Okay. Na lands commission kwa na say ope kra na o check na say wo you can even send the document so we verify whether document way is the same one like we have a copy. A be problematic sometimes e bet me abasa ya register but because of the way I keep document manual way of keeping records we may not have the records but we are digitizing our system there it's very easy to trace whether this document is fake and as maybe because we are scanning all our applications the time will come out will be fully digitized so you can even sit in the comfort of your home, conduct a search, apply for any of our services.
Okay, that's interesting. Now I'm a professional fees now but from
yes.
Oh, I see. I thought that I say information centers near announcement say yimbe tuya saseka. But also I remember say asase so him for not me fresh say we have to pay dues bills a levy to them annually. mbese mi hu so say da de etua mo mo no ne de etua ma ban no.
Okay. So the etua ma lease, if you have a lease, I said depends on the interest you are getting from the land. If you are getting a lease, lease, there's a legal requirement so to what we call ground rent. Meaning saying you can ground rent. Yeah. And I was say who lease lease every year ground rent. But no emra no say I said your office. I friend no office of the administrator of stool lands. In charge of collecting ground rent. Yeah, and ground rent no kwa yentua mahemfo no direct. Why with your
lands commission?
No, administrator, office of the administrator. But omo offices were lands commission your premises so. Most of our premises in all the regions in omo office ebataye ho because omo in charge of collecting ground rent on behalf of the stools. By a government land, their lands commission and but stool land and our family land. But meaning say I am in the local areas no. I almost yes and conform to
yes.
No. I don't know. I know them say I'm ransom. A customary way of managing lands.
Tomatoes are singing
asa. Enti de bu ha emra kwan mu no emra bia ni ho so say ukotua bibisa ama wo mu but ohun they also did say omo na omo ye krowra nti no say amamre
any amanye ma omo.
Yeah. Okay. However say if you have freeholder yentua rent bia and when you have it a wow there forever nti no untua ground rent e only lease. And at least ye kalisa assignment na me kan no sublease ni nyina ehase enti ni nyina obetua ground rent.
Okay. MC yebre no enya so anisa enti we dey 30 seconds the opposite we can chat to say futu say enchia
enti no the make chat to on say lands commission we are in all the regions. We are working and you see no by offices are be client service access unit in all our regions. Accra or cantonments and then the kind and in the regions so you all the capital towns. This all call person transacting any business concerning land and no person stamp duty. I forgot to add say also making sure say nipa na wo to free no no so stamp duty. In na one case also ta obey stamp duty ni na ye lands commission. Nti no say well obi the document in then natural won't tia fabra oba your officers they are there, they will welcome you on church will be BM person yes search be bia your church to make sure say you don't fall into the hands of wrong people and do anything that did problem bro in future. Right. You know that's what the advice I will give say. And I also advise that come and deal with officials of lands commission. Don't deal with agents and goro boys and those things. Yes, come to our office. Our client service access units. You be question bia inquiries bia you be access still.
All right. Lawyer Edasipa ewo enumre nchiremu a we afei na ya hyase nti we ye ni yebe could deeper pa meaning say o nsem bebre anka obebisa mo fa nche yen ebre amakwan nemum ye hyem bo se nyame adom a ndase ne yesane lawyer tenasia yebe makwan na wasem bi a opese ubisa na nti enha wa atwoto ho ana se pe ba bi a obetimi a record ato se de be a obetimi akai na wabisa ye ne emranim ni lawyer osan Mrs Intino menka se Mrs okra ene yenu na bedi nkomo afa yensa ase ho nsem ya hwe the introductory part no or ewo ye discussion mu nti nyame adom a yebesa ba beto aso bi nti abre bia kai se odu afidie ebeto Hope Channel Ghana na yenyina yetimi asua ade lawyer nyame hira pa
nyame hira mu so
amen. Yen fasida Emma Midima for her back clinic. Wodum ne so yasne any angel of hope for nyina. Yankopon hira mu sa bibia mo so ye yasene na mo ahye yemfumu ma ne yatimi abetena ha na yesua de beboye ame yatimi atumpon medin ede nana kwa misika yesi ha echia mo ema mu nyina shalom